CTET Paper 2, September 2015. CDP questions. First, do children acquire language because they are genetically predisposed to do so or because parents intensively teach them from an early age? This question essentially highlights the nature nurture debate, the discussion on development as a multifactor ability, whether development is a continuous process or discontinuous one, the influence of cognition on development of language. The right answer is 1. Next, development of the capacity for abstract scientific thinking is a characteristic of sensory motor stage, pre-operational stage, concrete operational stage, formal operational stage. Right answer is 4. Next, a child reasons, you do this for me and I will do that for you. In which stage of Kohlberg's moral reasoning would this child fall? The instrumental purpose orientation, the punishment and obedience orientation, the good boy, good girl orientation, the social contract orientation. The right answer is 3. Next, progressive education reaffirms the belief that the teacher has to be firm in their approach, and in today's world children cannot be taught without using punishment. Lays strong emphasis on problem solving and critical thinking, is based on the principle of conditioning and reinforcement, is centered around textbooks since they are only the valid source of knowledge. The right answer is 2nd. Next, questions encouraging students to voice their individual opinions on issues and reflections while giving reasons for the same promote convergent thinking, recall of information, standardized assessment of children, analytical and critical thinking. The right answer is 4. Next, which one of the following statement best sums up the relationship between development and learning? Learning and development are synonymous terms. Learning and development are interrelated in a complex manner. Development is independent of learning. Learning trails behind development. The right answer is 2nd. Next, which one of these is not a principle of development? Development is lifelong. Development is influenced by both heredity and environment. Development is modifiable. Development is governed and determined by culture alone. Right answer is 4. Next, a key feature of a child-centered classroom is that in which there is coercive and psychological control of the teacher who determines the learning trajectory and the behavior of the child. The teacher lays down uniform ways of behavior for children and gives them appropriate rewards when they do the same. The teacher's role is to present the knowledge to be learned and assess the students on standard parameters. The students with the teacher's guidance are made responsible for constructing their own understanding. The right answer is 4. Next, which one of the following statement is most appropriated about intelligence? Intelligence is the ability to do well in school. Intelligence is multidimensional, having several aspects to it. Intelligence can be reliably determined only by administrating standardized IQ test. Intelligence is fundamentally neurological functioning, for example, speed of processing, sensory discrimination, etc. The right answer is 2. Next, gender bias refers to acknowledgement of differences between boys and girls due to their physiologic differential treatment of boys and girls based on expectations due to cultural attitudes, genetic differences that exist between boys and girls, perception of self as relatively feminine and masculine in characteristics. The right answer is 2. Next, as an upper primary school teacher, you have quite a few children who are first generation school goers. In your classroom, which one of the following are you most likely to do? Tell the children that they do not have the capability to study further and they should now help their parents at work. Call the parents directly and ask them to enroll their children for tuition, provide scaffolding and other kinds of support during classroom activities, and for homework, give them homework of memorizing and copying the answers in the notebooks 5 times. The right answer is 3. Next, Even children of the same age vary greatly in appearance, abilities, temperament, interest, aptitude, amongst other things. What is the role of the school in this regard? Ensure that all children develop in the same manner. Ensure that each child gets opportunity to develop as per her potential. Lays down normative standards of assessment for children. Ensure that the teacher uses standardized instructions and textbooks. The right answer is 2. Next, a teacher's most important role in an inclusive classroom is to ensure that every child gets an opportunity to realize her potential, to plan for the class so that every child progresses at the same pace, to ensure that the teacher gives standard instructions into the class, to find out the occupation of parents of children so that the teacher knows what each child's future occupation would be. The right answer is first. Next, how would you help children in your class to make changes in their concept? By giving factual information, by giving children an opportunity to express their own understanding of the concept, by dictating the information to the child and then asking them to memorize it, by punishing children if their concepts are wrong. The right answer is 2. Next, a certificate is given to child when they read a specific number of books. In the long run, this strategy might not work since a large number of certificates would have to be given when more children start reading. Reading books would distract children from completing their homework. This might lead to children reading only for getting the certificates. The library would need to buy a lot of books. The right answer is 3. Next, role of a teacher in a class is to fill the student with her knowledge, own knowledge, and prepare them for examination, transmit knowledge in a straight fashion and prepare students for right answer, follow the timetable strictly and stick to the course, provide authentic learning situations and facilitate independent thinking in students. The right answer is 4. Next, which one of the following statement is most appropriate about children making errors? Children commit errors since they do not have the capacity to think. Children errors are a window into how they think. To avoid making errors, children need to imitate the teacher. Children's error need to be taken seriously and they should be punished severely so that they do not repeat the mistake. Right answer is 2. Next, assessment is an integral part of teaching learning process because in today's time marks are the only important thing in education. Children need to be marked so that they know where they stand in comparison to the peers. Assessment helps the teacher to understand children's learning and serves as a feedback for her own teaching. Assessment is the only way to ensure that teachers have taught and students have learned. The right answer is 3. Next, the curriculum must enable children to find their voices, nurture their curiosity to do things, to ask questions and to pursue investigations, sharing and integrating their experiences with school knowledge rather than their ability to reproduce textual knowledge. National Curriculum Framework 2005. Against this backdrop, what should be the primary role of the teacher? To do the chapters of the textbook sequentially, to ensure that the teacher asks good questions and the children write the answer in their own notebooks, to give plenty of opportunities to children to share their own understanding and knowledge, to discard the experiences of the children and focuses on the textbook. The right answer is 3rd. Next, to encourage children to put in efforts in their studies, teachers need to motivate the child, scold the child, control the child, compare the child with others. The right answer is first. Next, which one of these statements is the context of emotion, learning and motivation is most appropriate? Emotions do not play any role in motivating us to learn. Learning something new is dependent on how good we are at. Emotions need to be pushed aside, allow for learning to take place. Emotions are intellectually intertwined with motivation and learning. The right answer is 4. Next, multiple choice questions assess the child's ability to recognize the correct answer, recall the correct answer, construct the correct answer, explain the correct answer. The right answer is 1. Next, Process of socialization does not include learning the customs and norms of a culture, acquisition of skills, acquiring values and beliefs, genetic transmission. Right answer is 4. Next, what term phrase does Piaget use for mental structure which are the building blocks of thinking? Schemas, zone of proximal development, gene maturation blocks. The right answer is first. Next, according to Vygotsky, why do children speak to themselves? Children are egocentric. Children use speech to guide their actions. Children use their speech to attract the attention of adults to them. Children are very talkative by nature. The right answer is second. Next, children with learning disabilities have retarded mental development, have low IQ, have confusion between letters and alphabets that look alike, easily recognize and comprehend sight words. Right answer is 3. Next, what is creativity? Ability to identify or prepare original and divergent solutions to problems. Creativity is best defined as an IQ of above 200, a form of intelligence that refers to skills that depend on accumulated knowledge and experience, a form of intelligence that depends heavily on information processing. Skills include the speed of processing. Right answer is first. Next, a lot of children in India, especially girls, do household chores before coming to school and after going back from school. What do you think a teacher should do regarding homework in this context? Ask the parents of the child to get tuitions for completing their homework for their children. She should give harsh punishment to the children who do not complete their homework. The teacher should give homework that connects the learning at school to the children's lives at home. The teacher should ensure that the child wake up early in the morning and stay till late to complete their homework. The right answer is 3. Next, in an effective classroom, the children fear the teacher since the teacher uses verbal and physical punishment. The children do not have any regard for the teacher and do as they please. The children look up to the teacher for guidance and support to facilitate their learning. The children are always anxious and kept on their toes since the teacher keeps on giving regular tests to assess their ability for recall. The right answer is 3rd. Next, presenting disconnected chunks of knowledge would make it difficult for the learners to gain conceptual understanding, make recall easier for the learners, help learners organize information on their own, make the task of the teacher difficult and that of the learners easy. The right answer is first. Thanks for watching.